Welcome to my tutorial. This is the makeup look I will be showing you today, my soft glam look, so stay tuned. So I start off with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Beige. Then I take my e.l.f. foundation brush and just pack it on there. Moving on to the brows, I use the Instant Lift Brow Pencil by e.l.f. in the shade Deep Brown. I use it to line the top and bottom of my brows and try to follow the natural shape. Then I take the spoolie end and brush it through to help blend the product to look more natural. On top of that, I like to use the NYX Cosmetics Tinted Brow Mascara in Espresso. It helps tame my brows. Moving on to the eyes, I use the Physicians Formula Natural Nude Palette. I'm using the light cream color under my eyebrow. Then I take this medium brown tone and cover my eyelid with it. Using a fluffy Tokidoki brush, I take this dark brown shade and blend it into my crease. Gotta make sure it's well blended. For my concealer, I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. I use this under my eyes, on my nose, and a bit on my chin. I create a triangle shape under my eyes. Then I take my Real Techniques sponge and gently dab it to blend it out. To set my concealer, I use the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Honey Beige. Gotta be careful with this, it gets everywhere. I use my Real Techniques sponge and I just pack it onto my under eye area. Then I use this blush brush from Real Techniques and the bronzer from e.l.f. Cosmetics Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder in Fiji to contour my cheeks. After, I go back in with the Airspun powder and put some under my contour. I go back in with the bronzer and my fluffy brush and do some contouring on my nose as well. Now I grab my Physicians Formula Eye Booster eyeliner in Ultra Black and I use this to create a winged eyeliner look. The powder has had time to set, so I use my Real Techniques brush and brush off any excess powder. Going back to the e.l.f. Cosmetics Compact, I use the blush side this time and put some on the apples of my cheeks. Then it's time for lashes. These are the Eyelure number 126 lashes. I use a tweezer to make the application a lot easier. Be sure to measure the length against your eye. These lashes come with their own glue. Just put a thin line on the strip and wait a minute for it to get tacky. Carefully line up the lashes with your natural lash line. Take your time to get it just right. We don't want wonky eyelashes. Make sure the corners are secure before the glue dries. I like to curl my fake eyelashes. It gives them that extra oomph. Just make sure they are completely dry before doing so. Then I use this great lash mascara. Not my favorite, but I had it on hand. and I use it to blend my natural lashes with the fake ones. And we are all done with the eyes. Moving on to the lips is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade Spice. This is one of my favorite colors. It is a perfect nude brownish shade. On top of that, I use the Milani Color Statement Lipstick in Teddy Bear. For the finishing touch, I have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I use this fluffy brush and apply it to the tip of my nose and on my cheekbones. Honestly, you could never have enough highlighter. Now for the big reveal, I can finally take my hair down. Well, that was my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my socials. I stream on Twitch Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Bye-bye.
It's not for me to say.